Hello, my name is Holly Jones, and today I will show you how to open the Wave Web Accessibility Evaluation tool. I will give some explanation of the Wave panel, and I will show how to identify and understand the errors that Wave detects on a web page. To open Wave, simply go to wave.webaim.org, as we have. In the web page address field, type in the page you wish to evaluate. Today, we'll look at mesacc.edu and press enter. On this page, you will see the Wave panel on the left side of the screen. On the right side, you will see the page that you chose to evaluate with Wave's embedded icons and indicators on it. Each icon, box, and piece of information added by Wave presents information about the accessibility of the page. Red signifies an accessibility error, yellow, an alert, green, an accessibility feature, and blue, a structural element. Now let's take a look at the Wave panel to the left. Initially, you will see Wave's evaluation in summary mode with styles on. Summary tells how many of each icon Wave has detected on the page. Details goes into depth about the icons present. Documentation, when you have selected one icon, gives an explanation of it. Outline shows the page's heading structure. Going back to summary, we'll take a look at the views. The views change to the right-hand side of the screen where the web page is presented. Styles presents the page as you would see it if you went to this page normally. This view may be difficult to navigate with all the new information shown, so you may wish to switch to No Styles. No Styles displays the page without the normal style of the page and with the tables linearized. This view is especially helpful for understanding the reading and navigation order which keyboard-only and screen reader users will use to access this page. The last view is Contrast. This shows only the contrast issues on your page based on WCAG 2.0 guidelines. Contrast levels are important for users with impaired sight. For example, this text with dark blue text on a white background meets the WCAG 2.0 guidelines. However, if this were yellow text on white background, the contrast may not be great enough to meet these guidelines. Returning to the summary panel with styles on, let's take a look on how to identify an error using Wave. I'll scroll down and click on Accounting. On the summary panel, it tells us there's one error present. I'll switch to the detail panel to find it. Here it tells us there's an empty link. I can click on this red box and it will take me on the right-hand side to where on the page this error occurs. From this point, the web developer can go and fix this empty link. If, however, you are wondering what this means or how it affects accessibility, you can click on this blue icon on the right and it will take you to the documentation panel's explanation of these things. Please note that all of Wave's icons can indicate that the page needs revision. The absence of errors does not guarantee that your page is accessible. For instance, on the summary field, it says that there is one error evident on this page. However, there are several other alerts, features, and contrast errors which have not been addressed. These may still cause difficulty in accessibility. I hope that this provides sufficient explanation of how to use this tool. Thank you.